Welcome to this English conversation practice session. Let's improve your speaking skills together. Just follow my directions. First, listen to each word and then repeat it out loud. Words.
Morning. Afternoon. Evening. Night. Now, let's practice with a simple conversation.
Hello, John.
Hello, Emma. Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, John.
Good afternoon, Emma.
Good afternoon, John.
Good evening, Emma.
Good evening, John. Good night, John.
Good night, Emma.
Great job! Now, listen to the following sentences and repeat them. This will help you get better at conversation.
Hello, John.
Hello, Emma. Good morning, Emma. Good morning.
Good morning, John.
Good afternoon, Emma.
Good afternoon, John.
Good evening, Emma.
Good evening, John. Good night, John. Good night.
Good night, Emma.
Quiz time. Night. Afternoon. Morning. Evening.
Like, comment, and subscribe.